Hi there students. In this video I wanted to look at two adjectives, hot-blooded and hot-headed. I guess you could also have the noun a hothead for hot-headed as a person. And then maybe I'll try to look at some opposites as well. Okay, let's see. Firstly, I think both of these words are very close together. I think hot-blooded or hot-headed, it talks about somebody who's very passionate, who's easily angered or easily excitable. They're full of action. But I think these two words are slightly different. I think if you're saying somebody is hot-blooded, they show strong feelings, strong emotions. Yeah, they are quick to fall in love. They're quick to love things. They're quick to anger things. In no way are the British hot-blooded. They are not hot-blooded. Mediterranean people have a reputation for being hot-blooded. Yeah, they show their feelings very easily. Whereas I think if you call somebody a hothead or you say they're hot-headed, I think this is critical. This is saying they do things without thinking about it carefully. And I think if you call somebody hot-blooded, I think this is probably positive. Whereas if you call somebody hot-headed, this is negative. A hothead reacts to things without thinking it through. So a hothead is rash, yeah? Is somebody who takes decisions without thinking it through. Somebody who's hot-blooded is somebody who shows emotion easily, who shows their emotion without problems, yeah? They're passionate, a hot-blooded Latin lover. Yeah, whereas hot-headed, this talks about being impetuous, being impulsive, being headstrong and reckless. Yeah, if you're hot-headed, this is saying that somebody has been irresponsible. Yeah, so you're criticizing them for acting too quickly. Yeah, whereas if you say somebody's hot-blooded, they are very ardent, yeah, and if somebody's hot-blooded, they also do tend to be hot-headed, but they're not the same thing, yeah. Okay, so hot-blooded, full of passion and emotion, but then again reacting very quickly. But hot-headed, yeah, you're thinking too quickly. Now, I was thinking about the opposites to these. Let's see, you could have the word cold-blooded. Yeah, I mean, a cold-blooded animal is an animal like a snake or a lizard that has cold blood. But if you call somebody cold-blooded, you mean they're very cruel. They have no feelings for other people. Yeah, so yeah, he is a cold-blooded murderer. Yeah. Let's see, if you to do something in cold blood, it means you're thinking about it and you do it specifically and you don't have any regard for anyone else. And then a cold head, no. I think you could have a cool head. If you do something with a cool head, you don't get flustered or excited or stressed in a difficult situation. So when a situation is difficult, you need to keep a cool head. Yeah. So that's slightly different again. So hot-blooded, yeah, shows emotions easily. He's a very hot-blooded individual. Yeah, hot-headed, yeah, is somebody who makes decisions without thinking in a hot-blooded way. But maybe this also is implying that they are not thinking it through. It's ill-considered. It's a bit impulsive. But I think very often there is certainly some overlap between the two words. So, are you hot-blooded? Are you hot-headed? Are you cool-headed? Are you cold-blooded? Comment for me. Let's see, hot-headed. For informality. It was a very hot-headed thing to do. Use informally, semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, but no more. I think hot-blooded I would give 5 informality and use anywhere. And well, this idea of hot, doing something in the moment and then your head is hot, you're not thinking, yeah, whereas your blood is hot, it's how you feel. The blood is more to do with the heart, whereas the head is to do more with the thinking bit. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Hot-headed, hot-blooded, not hot-blooded. Bye for now.